Hey guys, my name is Dr. Josh Yagoda, and if you have a difficult time squatting, loosening up your hips when you're trying to squat and you start rounding and your hips are all tight, well, check out this quick little mobilization. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll get down into our knees just like this. We're going to widen our knees just a bit. If you need pads under here, that's okay. What we're going to do is almost frog leg our position. We're going to keep our hips down, not up like into the air, and we're going to rock back and forth. We can get down onto our knees and we're just going to rock back and forth until our hips start mobilizing. Start doing some movement prior to your squats. Start doing some movement prior to your days. Prior to moving. The best way to move better is to prime your body for that movement, and this is going to help you with that frog pose, rocking back and forth to open up your hips.